Welcome to a video by DemoAbron. This is Fortins barometer. They also call the Mercury barometer. This one is a scale. Here it is. Scale is from 64 to 81 centimeter. It is on the other side is in the inches. This is from 25 inches to 32 inches, and the vernier is there. This moves with the scale. This moves. When it is to be used, it is to be used in the vertical position like this. It is to be hanged from this point and one point on the bottom. You have to close it and then adjust these mercuries by using this only after filling it. But how to fill it? Before that, when it reaches you, you keep it on the table. It comes with the mercury. It almost needs about 550 gram, 500 gram or 450 gram mercury. It comes with this, which is pre-cleaned, washed and dried mercury. This is a special funnel with a very thin hole. You can see very thin hole is there. This one is very thin hole. It is for filling the mercury, and this wire is there for taking out the bubble and this beaker. You put the mercury in the beaker and then with the help of the funnel put it in the tube. I'll show you how to do it. First of all, when it reaches you, you open this and open these 2 or 3 screws so that the bottom is after keeping it along this point and take it out. This barometer is to be taken out. This one is vernier, this one is a pointer scale, and glass tube is inside. This one is a cup for mercury. So what you have to do is to open this, keep it hand here. This is for calibration, not for you. We have already done it. These are all locked, not to be done. Here you have keep it hand, not to be opened. This one, just open this box, this lower chamber. I show you this. It has a screw with the rubber. Here it is on the rubber, and this one is for moving the up and down so that the mercury bulb can be this can be adjusted. So after this, open this center part. This one is a leather and it is sealed, and this can allow the air to go past but not the mercury to come out. In this bottom, I show you. Keep it like this, upside down. This is the top side, this is the bottom side. Keep it upside down. On the below, this one is there is one tube here. You can see this tube this one. This mercury is to be filled in this tube, inside tube, not the outer one, inside tube first. So keep it by call somebody else who should keep it, hold it with you, and when you are holding this, place the mercury in the barometer. This half of it, fill it half bottle, and then keeping it this like this funnel. Slowly put the mercury in the top side so that it falls inside the tube. And when it is full mercury will be filled from bottom to the top tube. And then you have to use the wire. Just push the wire 2-3 times inside, almost to the bottom, and take it out and slowly push it out so that no air is trapped inside the tube. After that, you fill again the mercury with the same funnel. Now it is outside tube. It is now to be filled with the outside chamber. This chamber is there. This tube is there, outside also and inside. Filling it inside and outside. Hole will be filled, and this whole cup is to be filled up to the top. Here it should be filled to the top, and then before doing it, it is better to keep a tray at the bottom. If the mercury falls, you can take out the mercury and clean it with the cloth or keep it back and then close it. When it is closed, push this, and then you have to close this back. I show you, close it back like this. There is another video by us, Abron. We have supplied to many countries. The video was specially designed for filling the mercury. Then you can, if you know to fill, then you have to close little bit of it, not very tight, little bit. Now it is almost not going inside. I'm not pushing the pressure over. Then slowly you have to just keep it slowly, very slowly. Keep it like this so that no air is going. The air is coming on the top side. You will see a part of it, air is coming, and the vacuum will be created on the top side. If you just keep it like this, the vacuum, you can see the vacuum will be there. If you just lower it back, it goes and it makes a tuck like music, very strong mercury will be going back when it is on the other side, because this is the top side which becomes vacuum will be there. So it is, so the mercury will be coming down from here. Then you have to open it closely, slowly. On the inside you can see there is a white corner here. You can see the white pointer is there. This pointer, mercury is to be touched only to the pointer. You have to adjust it so that it points. Then keep it in hand. Before that, when you have done it, now hang it, keep it straight like this, hang it on the wall, and then slowly let it go inside from the here. It should go inside, and then on the top you have to keep it here, and then lock the here and just pushing it out here, keeping it by, you need to have one more person in the lab so that it does not fall from your hand and it is always in the straight position. So you can just push it and then lock this so that it locks and it is on the secured on the wall, and then now it is ready to use. You have to adjust this micro button switch, and then pointer will be touching the bottom of the top of the mercury, just like this, and then you have to see the mercury by column this. Now digital barometers are available very easy now, and always keep it like this on the wall. You will always keep it working for years together, 5-10 years, no problem. This thermometer is there for checking what is the temperature and what is the pressure. You can do with the as per your books or as per the old system. This is the old system of mercury system. Now digital one has come. So these are all filling. Never let it down only without filling it. This is the top side, this is the bottom side. You have to open the below switch after opening this. I am again telling you, do not open this section, and only this part is to be here. It is to be opened along with this cup below. See the video. Our email is abron01@gmail.com, and other is info@abronexports.com. And website is abronexports.com, and our WhatsApp number is 9992222049, and other is 9416020018. This is Abron Exports. We have all the videos of the digital barometer, dial barometers are available with us. Share the videos, like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and happy using the barometer. Thank you very much.